Facts, propaganda killed the mindset of many Zimbabweans. Did you know that no political party in Zimbabwe's history has played the game of double standards with the British, Chinese, Russians, and Americans more than ZANU-PF? Since 1963, ZANU-PF has been a British project, feeding lies to Zimbabweans while secretly cutting deals with foreign powers. In 1980, the British allegedly helped ZANU-PF rig elections against ZAPU, the real Liberation Party viewed as a threat to Western interests. Soon after, during Gukurahundi, ZANU-PF collaborated with the British and North Koreans to massacre Ndebele-speaking Zimbabweans in a bloody attempt to eliminate ZAPU completely. Contrary to the propaganda fed to the masses, Mugabe was once the darling of the West, close to Queen Elizabeth and British Prime Minister Margaret Thatcher. Fast forward to the November 2017 coup. The British government was again involved behind the scenes. Since Emerson Mnangagwa took power, he has been desperately lobbying to rejoin the Commonwealth, even paying American lobbying firms to polish ZANU-PF's image in Washington. Yet ordinary Zimbabweans are told every day that the West is evil and must be resisted. The irony is glaring. If an opposition leader is photographed with a white diplomat, it becomes front-page news in the state-controlled press, framed as selling out. Meanwhile, ZANU-PF itself thrives on secretive deals with the very same Western powers it demonizes. The propaganda machine has killed the mindset of many Zimbabweans, trapping them in lies while their leaders play friendly with the world powers they tell the people to hate.